a question that often comes up in real classrooms. Let's suppose we have a problem like there are 21 bags with 2 marbles each. Our first student, Ben, figures this out by skip counting by 2s 21 times. So Ben counts 2, 4, 6, 8, all the way to 42. Kaya, another student, looks at the same situation and says, I'll just do 21 plus 21, which is 42. So here's the big question. Are both of these strategies legitimate? And the answer is yes, absolutely. And that's because of the commutative property of multiplication. The commutative property of multiplication tells us that A times B is equal to B times A. In other words, 21 times 2 is the same thing as 2 times 21. Ben had solved this problem by seeing 21 groups of 2, so 21 times 2, whereas Kaya looked at this problem and said that we have 2 groups of size 21, 2 times 21. Let's look at a simpler example. 2 times 5 equals 5 times 2. Visually, we can show this problem with an array. So here's a 2 by 5 array. So the important question to ask students is, are the groups the rows or are the groups the columns? If the groups are the rows, then we have 2 groups of size 5, which is 2 times 5. But if the groups are represented with our columns, then we have 5 groups, each with 2, 5 by 2. Either interpretation works, and both lead to the same total. Helping children see this visually builds flexibility and confidence. You're not just teaching a rule, you're helping them understand why it works. And that kind of understanding sticks.